Hi guys, welcome back to Toy Box Treasures. Today we're going to be unboxing Care Bear's Little Besties. And this has like a little set, and these are like characters. And they come with little figures. So let's start with this one. It's a little bit hard. Okay. So here's the bags. And we got like a pink one. So let's open this one up. So here's like the set, what it looks like. So these might be like the little items. So we got headphones, a drink, like buttons or something, and then this, and then like sunglasses or some sort of glasses. So these are the characters. Oh wait, there's two. Okay. So these are the two. So here's the first one. And then here's the second one. So let's see here. So it looks like we got gaming set with Harmony Bear and Cheer Bear. So it'll take forever, so I'll just put them with their things. Okay, so let's move on to these. And here's the ones that you can get. Oh, I think these count. So this is like a box, I think they come in. Oh. So that's one. I think it's like one whole thing. Oh, okay. So it looks like we got like shoes, and then like a water bottle. And then we got like the same bear as this one, but they're in different poses. So here's the one that we got, but let's see. Oh, it's Harmony Bear. And then here's the rest that we can get. And then on the back, let's open up another one. These are hard to open. There we go. I'll scoot that over so I can get these out. Okay. Ooh, we got a different one. Ooh, this one's a new bear. I don't know what this bear is. But let's see. So I think this one is over here. Oh, it's Tender. Wait, no. Superstar Bear. Okay, so here's our last one. I think all these come in like pink boxes. I think we got the same one. So we got the same one as this one, but let me just get all these out. So we got 2 duplicates. So that's all we got today. Make sure to subscribe.